car got in a little bit of fender bender. It actually has a ceramic coating on it, so you guys can see what that's gonna look like. We're gonna try to remove it without any body work, and we'll see what happens. We might be able to fix it without. I think the only thing that it's not self-healing is like I think I saw maybe a slight dent, but this I'm pretty sure we can get rid of this.
Just one,
Yeah, do you want to
maybe, or do I have
It has ceramic coating.
I have a protection. Did we do that?
No, we didn't.
We did partial.
Did we?
We did it half. The rocker panel. I don't know if it's.
Yeah, we did the front. We did. Yeah.
I thought. Didn't we do that?
No, no.
Okay, so it doesn't do that.
The rocker panel stops.
Oh yeah, it stops just the one.
Where is it? Yeah, right here. Right here. Yeah, so we have a system, it's called the FLR system. It's meant to do touch-ups, like minor touch-ups like this, where it's like minimal enough so that it doesn't need actual body work. Because we're repainting the whole quarter panel.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
And you're gonna match it
And then you're gonna run into the issues of, well, other issues, right?
Oh,
It's never as strong as original, even Tesla paint is unique. So, in this case, we were hoping that the ceramic coating would fix it, but it did get in a fender bender, so from what he told us, the other car actually had a lot more damage than what he got. And this can be just easily fixed. We're gonna, instead of repainting the whole quarter panel, we're gonna maybe repair it 90% and then re-ceramic coat it so that he can enjoy the car. That's it. All right, so we just finished doing the paint correction. So Josh actually removed all the scratches. There were some really deep scratches on the rear bumper. That's completely gone. And now we just finished tinting the windows with the ceramic tint. So extremely good for heat rejection. It's going to be done on the sides and even the back glass. The windshield is getting a windshield protection, so in case you guys are wondering why we masked this off, why it's got masking tape all around there, is because we want to protect the paint while we're doing the film. So every time we can, we want to protect the surrounding area. This is what you're going to see. Even when we're wrapping, you're going to see us masking tape everything off. And next steps are we're going to start protecting the interior carbon fiber and the satin protection film. And then after that, we're going to move our way out to the exterior. Protect the entire exterior. Then we're going to ceramic coat it. So this is just full protection. And we got a little cool project on this side. This is what typically you don't see. So this Porsche has the back glass removed. You guys might be wondering why it's removed. So we actually removed it so we can tuck the film completely under. Mind you, we want to clean this area. As you can see, it's extremely dirty under here, even if there's always a glass. So this is getting a full protection package. So this is also a platinum package, which means every edge is wrapped, folded under, concealed, making sure it looks invisible. So this car, and then we have an Infiniti right behind us. It's also getting a platinum package. So it's becoming a really popular package here where everybody just wants everything to be invisible, fully protected. Hugo is actually right now working on the front grille. And we got Sorensen. Actually, it's okay, he's a good looking guy, by the way. I think you guys haven't seen him in person much, but he's the guy that's behind the cameras for our Instagram. He also shoots some of our YouTube content. So if you guys don't follow him already, follow Shots by Soren. And then this is the Roadrunner over here. You guys for sure see this guy. Throw him a spider and he's gonna run like a Roadrunner. That's so we're actually doing a full blackout package on this right now. And the only thing that's not getting done is actually just the window trims, but it's gonna look really good once we do the full protection package. Once we do the ceramic coating. The owner's name is Michael, so he's been watching some of our videos. By the way, if you haven't done it, please subscribe below. This is the 992. So really like how they upgraded the front fascia of this car. It looks extremely, extremely sleek. So just to go over some details what we're doing on it, we're doing the entire body in protection film, obviously. So we always try to remove as much as we can to do a better finish. Turn signals were removed, emblems removed. Unfortunately for this one, we didn't pull out the back glass, but the fit is really, really tight. So we did some touch-ups on it, and right now the ceramic tints are already installed. The final steps is actually doing the not the quarter panel, but the side skirts of this, which is really important. You guys might have this problem on your own cars that are low, but getting in and out, a lot of people usually kick this. Not only that, the front tire are always throwing rocks towards your side skirt, so you want to protect that. And then obviously we're doing a full ceramic coating on it. So this is going to be a 5-year package that we're putting on the entire car. Wheels, windows, interior, all the white interior of this car is going to get done, and full exterior. But that's pretty much it. That wraps it up for this car. And what else we got coming in? We have a new Inozatec type of vinyl, and that is going on a Lamborghini Huracan Spider. So that's coming up very, very shortly. We'll be sure to post that up, and see you guys next time.